Hi there. Hi. My name is Michael Jary, and I'm the Managing Director for Sense across Europe, Middle East, and Asia. Today, I'll be telling you about how Sense is leveraging artificial intelligence to reduce consumption, carbon, and costs for energy customers and energy companies. Now, every appliance has electrical signature, a fingerprint. By sampling energy data at 1 million times a second, Sense's AI algorithms can spot that signature and determine which appliances are on and how much energy they are consuming. It provides this to the customer in an app and provides powerful enterprise-level insights to the energy companies. Each appliance is represented by a bubble. The bigger the bubble, the greater the wattage, all in instant real time. Sense is established in the USA with many tens of thousands of customers, and for each of those homes, Sense can identify 70% of the appliances by wattage, about 30 or more devices per home. We are now commencing an international expansion into Europe, Middle East, and Asia. We're learning about the homes and appliances in this region, and we're now ready to develop partnerships with energy suppliers, networks, and smart meter manufacturers in the UK, Europe, and beyond. Now, Sense is available in a standalone monitor that can retrofit into any home. But we're also integrated our technology into smart meters with Landis & Gyr and electrical panels with Schneider Electric. It just needs one device per home, and it is self-learning without any need for user input, training, or additional hardware. Now, there's no alternate to seeing the functionality in action. So just turn your attention, please, to the app on the left. Now, I'm going to show you an actual recording of my monitor in my UK home. Now, first and foremost, this app helps consumers understand what appliances are consuming power and money in their household. These days, energy isn't wasted on lights or refrigerators. They're all A-rated now. It's now usually very different for every household. Perhaps they have a rogue device, or devices left on overnight, or appliances on a faulty setting, or a variety of those things. So I'm just going to turn on a little recording of my home now for you. And here you can see all the appliances consuming power in my home. Now, for me, the problem device in my home is dining underfloor heating in a drafty room. It represents a whopping 21.5% of my energy bill. As well as real time, you can look back in time and really understand your energy usage with goals and insights and alerts. But there are broader benefits too: greater home awareness, safety, and security. This keeps customers coming back to the app. So, has my cleaner visited? Yes, I can see that the vacuum cleaner turned on at 12:41. Did I remember to put the dishwasher on? Yes, I did. The dishwasher is turned on. Did I forget about the iron? Did I leave the iron on? Well, thankfully no. And you can see the app operating again in real time here. For a moment, you can see the other usage surging. The AI is thinking about it. What is it? It's the microwave. And this immediate match between action and app really builds trust with consumers. Real time is vital for the most important use cases. And, again, you see there's another power surge. The AI is thinking about it, worked it out. It's a kettle. Now, perhaps you have a vulnerable relative and you want to make sure that they've had their morning cup of tea. Well, you can receive a notification when that kettle is turned on. And you can see here, drilling into the app and turning on a basic alert and to tell you when the kettle's being used. And you can do that for any appliance in the home. There's no need for gamification when you've got genuinely useful functionality. That means open rates for this app are very high. Now, with smart integrations, you can control devices from the app as well. And here I am turning on my smart lights there. And there are clearly other integrations from smart plugs to smart thermostats that can be controlled by consumers from the app, but also with the right permissions controlled by energy suppliers as well. You can see some of the available smart integrations there. And now, also importantly, we're now also able to make homes more reliable as well. Now, this is in beta right now, but we're introducing appliance fault detection. So by scanning homes for faults, we can identify when there's motor failures in washing machines or air conditioners in need of a service, and we're extending this to other appliances such as gas boilers and tumble dryers. So we think Sense is making homes genuinely intelligent. This broad functionality is why we get strong customer engagement. And even after a year of use, users are still opening the app on average 10 times or more a week. And that's why we're rated 4 or more and above out of 5 across all the major channels. Now, importantly, there's significant value for our energy partners as well. It's an opportunity to differentiate, reduce fuel poverty, acquire more and higher value customers, improve customer satisfaction, and grow loyalty. Helping customers reduce their bills without offering loss-making discounts, for instance, bringing real smart intelligence to their homes. Now, Sense, intriguingly, can see the specific appliances in use across a network. And here, Sense has identified all the EVs charging across its US fleet. And this is powerful information for demand management. Consumers can be asked to turn off the most impactful appliances currently in use, like an EV or a hot water tank, or in my case, a dining room underfloor heating. And this means energy companies can more effectively identify and act on energy consumption reduction opportunities during moments of peak demand. And with the smart integrations I showed you, those appliances can be turned off remotely by the energy company as well as the customer. And Sense can then validate that that turn down actually took place. As I mentioned, Sense can identify in advance whether an appliance is likely to break in the next few weeks. Customers want to know this, and service companies want the opportunity to reduce costs and improve customer service. The chart on the left shows a start capacitor failure on an air conditioning unit. There should just be one spike in power on the left, but there's nearly a dozen, and that is the motor stalling. And this and other common faults from furnaces to dryers can be seen by Sense. The Sense can also reduce risk and cost for grid operators. This chart shows the tiny fluctuations in voltage due to a branch hitting an overhead power line, and it's just this kind of an event that caused NARC, that caused the recent California wildfires, that's triggered a corporate manslaughter case against Pacific Gas and Electric. Sense can also see the tiny frequency fluctuations with remarkable accuracy across a fleet. These insights are allowing US energy companies to save millions a year by optimizing their frequency with greater specificity. And similarly, with high fidelity voltage, our partners are saving huge sums by optimizing voltage within a narrower band. Now, Sense is headquartered in the US and now with a UK office. And senior management have cut their teeth in speech recognition and the energy industry. And major investors include the likes of Schneider Electric, Landis+Gyr, and Shell. And we were recently recognized as one of the top 100 clean techs in the world. We're now looking for partners in the UK, Europe, Middle East, Far East, and so on. And so if you're an energy supplier, network, meter manufacturer, DSR platform, or government body that's looking to enhance customer experience, cut consumption, costs, and carbon, then please do reach out. My details are on the slide just here. Thank you.